What's up, guys? King Monkey here, and there's no updates here. Yippee! I just logged in, and so this, yeah. Yeah. Snow. You get snowballs again. Yeah. I need to know if you can still do the method. Can you still do it? Yes, you can. Yeah. Okay. So, is the lake frozen? Let's see. Yep. Oh my gosh, they brought back the present. Heck yeah. This. I think they added more on. How many snowballs does it take? Oh my god.
Stop.
Ew.
Stop.
Dude, chill, I stopped. Oh no.
Stop. Stop.
I stopped.
I'm your friend. Why are you running? You are going to hurt yourself. Stop.
No.
Stop.
No.
Stop.
Okay, I'm gonna go into Puppet Lobby. This is kind of scary. I'm going to Puppet Lobby. Yeah, I know you can comment my amazing parkour skills if you want to. I know they're so amazing. Oh my gosh.
What? Anything?
Yeah.
057.
Guys, let's break the present.
Who wants to do? Guys, you want to join school?
Everybody come to lake. Guys, come to lake.
Guys, come to couch. Wants a drink. The couch is gonna go to stage. Everybody go to stage if you want to do a Squid Game. Everybody go to. Guys, come to couch if you want. Everybody do a Squid Game. You just do a Squid Game for your baby.
Oh.
Squid Game for your baby.
Brady, I can rapid fire these. Yo, use your crossbow. Grenade launcher. Put them close to the floor. Rapid pick up snowballs and super fast. Yo, yeah, that's what I'm talking about, buddy. That's what I'm talking about. Yo, we have the same shirt.
Bro, rapid fire. Oh my gosh, they brought back these? No way.
Think we're ready?
Ooh, I got a needle sword. Yeah. Oh my gosh, it's a school.
Oh no.
Oh frick, it's a mimic.
That is
Or is it?
crazy.
Is that a mimic? Oh yeah, it is. Huh, got him. Give it. Oh, come on.
Oh, this is our chance.
Oh no, it's gonna break. Dang, it spawns people too. That's crazy.
What's the mimic? Mimic!
Guys, there's a mimic and a flashbang. Ooh, flamethrower.
That is a straight
Take that. Yoink. What is that? Oh my gosh.
Imagine dreaming about dogs.
Oh my gosh, you can't grab anything. Don't you dare respawn, cousin. Oh, I got it. Let's go. I got it. Oh my god. Well, I might as well open this. Hee hee. Hee hee ha. Oh, if I can
Does anybody want to go mining with?
No.
Yo, what's up? I'm trying. Look how big my head is.
Stop playing music.
Look how big my head is.
I don't care. Where'd it go? I don't know.
Ooh. Ow, my fingers.
Stop! Why are you sitting there? Whoa, what is that?
They keep making reskins of the RPG.
Wait, they always just make new skins for everything.
Yeah, he died.
You want that safe? How do you shoot so fast?
Secret.
Just tell me.
You just do this. Like on the ground, and then like you gotta put it like right here.
That's a fun command.
Oh my god, he's one from me. It makes your fingers hurt. Gary, get away. Get away, Gary.
Get away, everybody go to back.
Why are you getting close to me?
Get away.
Here.
Ooh.
Ogre. Ogre. Yeah. Nice.
Oh, come on, fingers hurting.
Oh, yeah. See what I get.
Oh, my fingers hurt.
Just open.
Wait, let's try it again. Big boy needle.
Ponderman's back
Come on, quick! See, you can punch him on upgrade with a battle weapon.
You have to do it like right here.
Oh, what's the big boy needle?
You have to do it on a snowy surface like this. Or
Wait,
this.
Green, do you want this
You can't
needle?
do it right here.
Give away!
Yeah.
If you want to do a giveaway.
You guys want
Rapid fire, guys. Guys, rapid fire.
do you want this?
We got Titan camera mask.
Nope, I'm good. I got it. Let's get up here. Actually, no, I could use that to get up. Hey, oh, dang it, I was gonna use that needle.
No. Oh.
Okay, that was scary.
Why are Ogre's new animation so fun?
want this?
Me.
I will. I'll take it. Yeah. You ugly, sticky pigback.
Ugly, sticky big bag. Sorry.
Okay, I'm going to stage 6.
I want to do this quickly so I can go back.
Can somebody give me a crossbow? I need a crossbow. Like,
Yo,
really
can somebody buy me a shield? Can somebody buy me a shield?
We need a
Who
crossbow.
can buy me a shield?
Red, give me a crossbow.
Red, give me that.
No, wait, somebody give me a shield.
Okay, bro, I'm coming to
Can somebody
stage
give me a
6
shield? It's because I have a cooldown. Yo, who can get me a shield?
I'm going to stage 6.
Yo, wait, can you buy me a shield? Can you buy me a shield?
Okay, I'm coming.
Six is so pink now.
No.
Okay, I'm there.
We got crossbows for everybody. Oh my gosh. Deck the
Wait,
halls.
stage 6 is open?
Deck the halls with gasoline. La 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 la. I didn't know Big Head could spawn.
Somebody give me a crossbow and a shield.
Guys, it's Big Head. Everybody take a crossbow and rapid fire snowballs.
You know,
I got a grenade.
don't need me. I'm Tiger Cameraman.
Ugh!
There you go.
Oh no.
Have you got me a money gun?
Yeah.
Can you go kill that worm
Can
thing?
you go kill that worm
Kill that
thing?
worm
It's
thing.
kinda
It's kind of...
Give me that gun.
Oh,
Or Big Head.
Yo, person on stage 5, wanna build a rocket ship?
Stupid Karen, I hate you.
uh-oh.
I'm gonna do what I did last year, okay? Trust me.
Okay, bye.
Trust. It's gonna work. Trust. Okay, I still have enough-ish money. RPG. Okay. I really hope this works, okay? Okay. Let's get bad. Dynamite. Yes.
Does anybody have RPG ammo? I don't.
Should we have a wait?
Mama!
Should we have a wait? Should we have a wait? Who wants to have a wait? Who wants to have a wait?
Then, can somebody buy me an umbrella and a grappler?
You do not want to see how, you'll see how fat I am.
Yeah, I see that you're fat. Hold on, can I just do grappler? Grappler. Give.
I want to.
Somebody go open the present.
I said, can somebody buy me? Not I'm buying
I'm
you.
more fast at skate shoot ever.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
I need to.
Who brought a Labubu?
Come on, say on to us.
Who brought the seal thing, or whatever it's called? It's not a Labubu. So many people call it a Labubu. It's kind of gotten to me now. Where's the umbrella? In here, yeah.
Where's that boo-boo in?
Okay.
What?
I'm gonna do the whatever a bomber plane is called. I mean, yeah, it's called bomber.
No, I'm fine.
I'm gonna do it. Yo, bro, you remember how I said trust me? I'm ready now. I'm gonna do it. Please tell me you can grab one of this. Oh, heck yeah, you can. Ooh. Okay. Guys, break the present again so I can do my thing. Please. Guys, break the present, please. What is that? Did somebody take a dump? What is this? Oh, it's blood. Okay. Thought it was poo. Guys, break the present. Deck the halls with lots of bodies. Fa la 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 la. Somebody man up and just go break it themselves. You might die, but that doesn't matter.
Bro, I got called by the clown and got sent to jump rope.
Okay. Well, at least you got a trampoline, I think. If you beat it. Deck the halls with gasoline. Fa la 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 la.
Yellow on stage 5. Can you give the thing the build back?
Now the school is burned to ashes. Fa la 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 la. Aren't you glad you played with matches? Fa la 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 la. Okay, I'm just gonna have to. Never mind. Go. Initiate plan, bomber. Go do it. Here we go. Okay. Shoot me until the monsters go down. Darn. Okay, I'm going. I did it. I hit nothing. That's kind of weird. Ew! Get away from me. It'd be crazy if they spawned the graveyard boss and the forest boss in that. That'd be crazy. Okay, so my plan failed. I need to go back and get more. I'm gonna grapple down. This. Okay. Do it again. Dynamite. Dude, what is that noise? I mean, yeah, I know it's the seal monster, but still. I mean, he's gonna move that. Okay. Let's go. Take 2 on the bombing plan.
Of the red light, green light, and anybody
Is there a bunch of
have
monsters still?
any like?
Yeah, fairly. Hello.
Do you have like grenade or anything?
No. It's not gonna do anything. So I have to do like right here. Yeah. 3, 2, 1, go. This looks like I'm gonna wet poop somewhere. Oh, wait.
No, don't steal my stuff! Don't steal my stuff, bro! Stop! Don't.
I think I did it. I think it worked. Okay, my plan kind of worked. Let me do it again. Hey, ogre. Bye, ogre. Oh, sorry, yeah, I need to go in like the middle. Like right here. Let it rip. Hope it worked.
Lie to back and watch it dream. Now, join code L67 or
Get out.
answer. Code L67 for
Yeah, bro.
you
You wanna do like the thing that I did like last year, Christmas update?
Join the code L67.
Sure.
Okay, so all you need is a bag and these.
Okay.
Okay, so
deserves
I already
the
have
L.
these. Here,
Yeah,
you,
so that's why
here, bro.
it's called L67.
Here.
Yeah, we.
Put your thing.
Yeah, I
wherever
mean
you
like
are,
man,
wherever you
L67. Code is L67 for Met competition. Something's gonna be
Okay,
really popular in it.
Mac competition is no. The code for our Mac competition is L67.
Here, you can take my
L67,
stuff.
You monkey
Here,
with a
take
halo
it.
hat.
Oh, yeah.
No,
Like the number 6?
yeah. And then, yo, come over here, come. Okay. Now,
Guys,
Oh, are we leaving right now?
L67 for a Mac competition.
Oh, wait.
L67
Sorry, I
gotta
gotta go. I have to, here, you want these back?
oh yeah.
Is the code.
Thanks, bye.
Bye.
Tell them I will arrive late.
Kaboom! Go kaboom!
I'll
Who
join
wants a
you.
massive giveaway, everybody? Who wants a massive giveaway?
Why do you sound like you're like 2 years old? That kid was like 2. Dude, that kid in that other one, he was 2.
Dirty cash, I want you. Oh my god. Dirty cash, I need you. I was
Money
actually
talk.
poor. I had like
Money.
I had 19 nuts. Now I have enough nuts to afford a hamburger.
Yo, bro. You wanna bomb the lake with me?
Huh? Wait, can one of you
Wanna-
give me? I need a specific item.
Guys,
I need
guys, do you
huh?
wanna bomb the lake?
Yeah. Can any of you guys give me either
Hold
the
on.
metal rod or the
Need to see if the present is broken. Yeah, it definitely is.
You in a good light, sir.
Okay, break the present again. I'm gonna bomb this area. Guys, I'm gonna bomb the lake, so break the present to get more monsters. More monsters equals more.
get
Yes,
one
people.
from one of my friends. I don't really care. And my goo is gone. Stupid
If you can
goo
just
and
get
I-
one from your friend, what is your
More monsters, more money, aka less.
Because I don't want to take it from my fans. I would rather not. I'd rather
I'm not
let
your
them
fan.
keep it.
Guys, do you want to bomb the
Yeah, I don't
lake
really
with
care.
me? Guys, do you want to bomb the lake with me? Do you know what I mean by that? You know what, frick it. I'm just gonna do this. Okay.
Yo, but can you give me an item? Yo, wait, I can carry that bag on here. And then I can open it and go like, and tip it sideways.
I was just gonna do it like this.
Y'all, we need some.
Yeah, but Bo, this is kind of better for me. I can do it for you.
Yo, what?
I'm good at bombing.
Yo, Mom,
I
make
love
us
bombing.
a little bit
I
of
love
Here,
bombing
take this so you
places.
can get up the mountain. Here, I'll fill the bag for you.
Hello, welcome to
Uh,
social services. How can I help you today?
Mula.
No.
Ani. Mula.
how much money are you making? How much money are you making?
How much money are you
Because I'm pretty broke right now.
Mula. Yeah.
Thank you, thank you,
Yo, yo,
thank
yo,
you,
yo,
thank
yo,
you,
yo,
thank
yo,
you,
yo, yo,
thank you, thank you.
No, I
Brody?
only have one.
You're doing it on your own. Like, please, turn it off.
Yo, give it?
Don't put it on the broom. Just carry the bag.
No, I have an idea because if I put it on the
'cause if
room,
you
I
activate
can
the-
activate
Well,
it.
Yeah,
I can
know,
activate
but,
it and
like,
drop
then
it.
It'll dump in the area.
You, I only put it on when I do the bombing. So can I help you to do so? Just mute it. You know how much snowboard bag? Mute this freaking kid.
No, bro, get muted.
I need help. Bro, can you please stop doing that, bro?
I'm bombing the lake. Y'all might want to move.
No, I need my snowboard.
Yo, guys, I'm gonna bomb it. I'm gonna bomb it.
P. Diddy, bro.
What? I said it's P. Diddy. That's crazy. Actually, I shouldn't talk about him. I might get demonetized, but who cares? I have 9 subscribers. I was gonna do a 10 subscriber Q&A, but
Clownstown.
I lost a subscriber, but then I gained
No,
it.
I
And
keep-
here, let me check if I'm at 10 subscribers yet. Cause
Oh, we got your
let's
snow.
just see. Can I go to my channel? Can I go to my channel? Can I go to my
No,
channel?
don't let.
King Monkey first. Skip it.
You're still
Not
ahead.
at 10 subs yet. I don't know. Yeah. I'm at 10 subscribers. Oh my god, go away. Here we go. This song. Oh, I shouldn't have done that. I'm gonna release the rest. Bye, guys.
Let's go.
I hate people who play music because I think they're funny. They're really not. Let me on the snow! Please! I'm not going in there. Command Vince is out here. What is that? Oh, hey, Mr. Ogre. Bye, Mr. Ogre. You
I'm not saying over the freaking. Oh my god.
Wait, no, hold on.
You know,
Yo, no, you have one. Give that snowboard, sir.
Not his
Just give him his snowboard back. It's not that serious. It's just a snowboard.
I mean, it is.
You little shit.
Pause.
Oh, he said it. He said it. Yeah, that's wild. I had the trader admin broomstick and like extra bag of snails for that.
Yo, it's a snowball. No way.
Guys, the teleport method won't work. I think they passed the teleport method. Because I can't stick the teleport gun to goo on walls anymore. Sadly. It's look, bro, look. Goo?
There's still a really easy way to get out the map. Animal Company. It's the best Skyrim attack rank game in the world. Which is a bit worse.
snowboard. Don't.
Because you can
I
fight
have a
back.
present. I have a
You
present.
can fight
Get
back.
that snowstorm
And
snowboard.
more companies cool.
Yo, who wants to duplicate with me? Who wants to duplicate with me?
Nobody. Let's go back. Yeah.
Who wants to duplicate with me? Who wants to duplicate?
It's not me.
I really need to duplicate this skis. I've never had one.
Okay.
Does anyone have a ski that... me? I need them.
Yeah.
Anyone? See that they...
Okay, that was miserable. Dude, did they buff some monsters or something? Hadn't red light, green light not die by dynamite anymore? 800% buff the monsters.
No. Yo, wait,
Guys, they
can I have one of those?
monsters.
I want to try and make a flamethrower.
Up to the mall.
Bro, that guy tried to scam me.
Someone tried to scam me.
I'm flying. Can I at least have a ruby flamethrower still? Actually, never mind.
No, but is this a PvP or no?
Video idea.
Guys, I got little Timmy to leave. I got little Timmy to leave.
Oh, damn it.
This little Timmy left.
Guys, whatever you do not go to lake. It's deadly there.
I don't care. I'm going.
Get this thing up.
Nothing you can do to stop me.
Oh,
Put these like on items.
God, oh my.
Can't, right?
Yo, Boo! Boo! You can't be stealing my stuff. He just stole my witch broom. That was my only one. Come on, dude.
Why do
Oh
I?
my god. What are you laughing for?
Damn it.
Honestly.
I am little
Stupid.
Bro, look
kid.
that blue.
All the time people steal my damn stuff. Like, dude, that was the last witch broom I had. It wasn't even an admin one. Boo, my damn witch broom.
Yeah, bro, come here.
Well,
come
do you
here.
have a witch broom I can have? Someone's. Thank you so much. Thank you, dude.
This is the only one I have.
Yo, you try to scam me. Stop trying to scam people.
This kid stole my goop too. Luckily I have a lot more pizza.
Yeah,
I stole it
Man,
too.
right over here, like.
I don't really care.
If you honestly think
That's the
scam,
funny
you
thing.
shouldn't have had them out.
I always and I'm gonna make fireworks. Look, I'm gonna make fireworks. Look. Yay.
I hope this works.
Yo, does somebody want to come ski with me?
I'll come see. You can join sports and I'll join you out here.
Got your friend. The next one.
Oh yeah. Come on. Really? Yeah. Go get something. You can get something. Go for it. Oh no.
How do you not think
Where'd my
people
thing
are
go?
already doing that?
Where is it?
So just go there. Cause I just got there actually.
It is so fun skating on the ice, bro. You know how fun it is to skate on this?
Yeah, shut up.
Says the one who scams.
Actually, I don't skate. Bomb. I gotta do a swim.
Raptors, bro. Can somebody, can you have that revolver? That's right. I have a revolver.
So that, I don't know what that was gonna do, but
Got it.
hey, what's up?
Thank you.
No, I saw one. Someone had one, but yeah, it was mine. But well, yeah, it's not. Go to County Feeling Trade.
I shot a flare under the map somehow.
Go to Couch if you want to trade.
I just shot a flare under the map. Yeah. Okay, also guys, comment on this video questions you want to ask me, because I'm at 10 subscribers, and we're going to do a Q&A. And I'll make it a video. It'll probably just be
What's this?
I'll probably just be like in a random area. I might move around after each.
This kid is just burning right by.
I swear, I'll get like
You
over, when I get over 20 comments, I will, that's when I'll do the actual Q&A. Once I get 20 subscribers, I'll also do another Q&A. And same for 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. My friend's at 90 subscribers, I'm at 10.
Trading a drink.
But,
No, my goo
Please.
got stuck in here. Can someone grab my goo for me?
peace guys.
It got stuck.
Peace guys, I need this. My mom's kind of homeless. No, she's not. I mean, technically, my mom is actually kind of homeless. She lives in a trailer. That's not really kind of homeless. But, yeah. Anyways. Why are you following me?
Do not what? Your mic is.
Is it body? Hey, is it you, King?
No, I'm trying to find a scoop out of the thing. Yes, I'm that poor that I don't have enough money to grab you. Like, I have enough, I unlocked it, but I just have like...
No money.
I'm getting ooh. Somebody peed in my
I
face.
need money.
I think somebody peed in my face.
I guess I'll just have to use my goop for my infinite collection.
Yellow.
Parents who were born.
If someone took my umbrella, I would start crashing out.
Ow.
But we gotta kill this dumb old red light green light, bro.
What's red?
For real? You gotta kill the stupid red light green.
Red light.
I'm gonna become a freaking suicide bomber. I'm gonna
Any
fly to the red light green.
bomb clot.